Hello everyone. I'm Sudesh Kumar from MSc Biotechnology. Today my topic is about gene expression in eukaryotes. These are my contents. We're gonna see about introduction, about RNA, and about gene expression and sequence of events in gene expression, and key phases in gene expression, and enzymes involved in transcription, regulations of the gene expression, and mechanism of gene expression, and features of eukaryotic transcription. And what is RNA? RNA is a ribonucleic acid. It's another molecule present in a cell. It is located in the cell nucleus and is composed of a single strand of alternating sugar ribose and phosphate groups, along with the nitrogen bases like adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. And thymine found in only DNA, not in RNA. It's replaced by uracil for RNA. Adenine passed with uracil, and while guanine passed with cytosine. The main functions of RNA is to produce protein using process called protein synthesis, which consists of two phases, transcription and translation. So what is gene expression? Gene expression is a phenotypic manifestation of genes by the process of transcription and translation. Gene expression via transcription and translation is the fundamental principles of molecular biology that is often referred to as a central dogma of molecular biology. And gene expression in eukaryote is complex and highly regulated. Regulation occurs at many points during the transcription and translation process and involves epigenomic compounds, which are chemical compounds and proteins that can attach to DNA and influence gene expression. There are two main stages in gene expression, which is transcription and translation. In transcription, the production of messenger RNA, which is mRNA, by the enzymes RNA polymerase and processing of the resulting mRNA molecule. And in translation, the use of mRNA to direct protein synthesis and the subsequent post-translational processing of protein molecules. These are the sequence of events in gene expression. When genes are expressed, the genetic information on DNA is first copied to a molecule of mRNA, which is transcription. And the mRNA molecules then leave the cell nucleus and enter the cytoplasm in eukaryotes only, where they participate in protein synthesis by specifying the particular amino acids that make up individual proteins, which is translation. These are the key phases involved in gene expression. Um, one is transcription, second one is post-transcriptional modification, and third one is RNA transport, and fourth one is translation or protein synthesis, and fifth one is protein folding and modifications. First, we're going to see about transcription, which is a conversion of a DNA to RNA. In this first step, the gene expression in which the DNA molecules are transcribed into their corresponding RNA copy. The process is aided by an enzyme called DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. These are the enzymes involved in transcription. One is RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, and RNA polymerase 3. In RNA polymerase 1, it is located in the nucleus and nucleolus and transcribes the 28S and 18S and the 5.8S and rRNA genes. And RNA polymerase 2, it is located in the nucleoplasm and transcribes protein coding genes to yield pre-mRNA. In RNA polymerase 3, it is located in the nucleoplasm. It transcribes the genes for tRNA, 5S rRNA, U6 snRNA, and the 7S RNA. In the second round, a post-transcriptional modification. In this process, the primary RNA obtained after the transcription is modified to produce a mature messenger RNA, which is mRNA. The processes are splicing, capping, and tailing. In splicing, with the cleavage of introns, which is non-coding sequence, and ligation of exons, which is coding sequence, with the help of several components that recognize specific sequence in RNA. In capping, which involves addition of cap molecules at the 5' end, and in tailing, which is addition of poly A tail at the 3' end. Third one is about RNA transport. most of the mature mRNA produced after modifications are transported from the nucleus to cytoplasm, where the next step is in gene expression takes place. This is achieved by moving the mRNA through the tiny pores in the nucleus to reach the cytosol. The fourth step is about translation or protein synthesis. The sequence in the mRNA is translated into protein with the help of several components such as ribosomes, tRNA, and transfer RNA. The enzymes called amino acyl tRNA synthetase. The translation of mRNA, which has three steps. One is initiation, elongation, and termination. Fifth one is about protein folding and modification. In the final step, the polypeptide chains or random coils formed during translation fold into a 3D structure, three-dimensional structure, giving rise to functional protein. Failure to fold leads to protein inactivity, and misfolded proteins have abnormal functionalities compared to the correctly folded ones. Also, protein can be modified by various methods such as phosphorylation, glycosylation, ADP ribosylation, hydroxylation, and addition of other groups. Regulation of gene expression. Gene expression is labeled for a cellular process that control the rate and manner of gene expression. A complex set of interaction between genes, RNA molecules, protein, including transcription factor and other components of gene expression system determine when and where specific genes are activated and amount of protein RNA produced. This is the mechanism of gene expression. Regulating the rate of transcription, this is the most economical method of regulation. Regulating the processing of RNA molecules, including alternative splicing to produce more than one protein product from a single gene. Regulating the stability of mRNA molecules. Regulating the rate of translation. Transcription factors are protein that play a role in regulating the transcription of genes by binding to specific regulatory nucleotide sequence. These are the features of eukaryotic transcription. Transcription in eukaryote occurs within the nucleus, and mRNA moves out of the nucleus into cytoplasm for translation. The initiation of RNA synthesis by RNA polymerase is directed with the presence of a promoter site on the 5' end side of the transcription start site. The RNA polymerase transcribes one strand, the antisense strand of the DNA template. The RNA synthesis does not require a primer. RNA synthesis occurs in the 5' to 3' direction with RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase catalyzing a nucleophilic attack by the 3-OH of the growing RNA chain on the alpha phosphorus atom on the incoming nucleoside to fight triphosphate. mRNA in eukaryote is processed from the primary RNA transcript, a process called maturation. So these are my references. Thank you.